Okay, so this is just a mock-up of the setup right now. I don't have anything plugged in. Well, I don't have anything dressed up, rather. I shouldn't say I don't have anything plugged in. I have absolutely everything plugged in. So we've got our amplifier down here. We've got our projector here. I set the projector lens just about even with the end of the cart so that if somebody mushes the cart into the wall, the lens doesn't take the hit. It's jacked up a little bit. And as you can see, the audio level's fairly low because as soon as I plugged it in, so it's connected up to the projector as such. So you need to check the settings. So we'll just do that. And I'll go to the projector. And I'm going to go down to export. And 1080. Now you can hear it down there. You could do it for lower if you wanted to, or if you had a time crunch or whatever, but you don't have to. There we go. Keep in mind this is a green screen that I am projecting to, so that's obviously not going to look super great here. So let me go full screen. Save that. And it will at this point export that file to an MOV. So as you can see, that looks pretty good. If this was in fact on a whiter wall, you would see color. but you get the general gist of it. I'm going to check the projector volume as well because I think the projector is actually restricting this PA right now. The PA is up just about all the way. I've got a little bit more to go, so I'm probably 3/4 of the way up, which is about as high as I want to go with that. So I'm going to adjust the projector volume and we'll see how loud this same section is once I've done that. Because I'm back here, you can see that it is a variable audio out, which means the projector volume is most likely just down. Well, the volume will be easy. I don't have to go to the menu. So let me try this live then. Let's see how this goes. So I'm going to restart this again. On video. My laptop's slow and stupid. This step by step to get this into the max, and we'll see how that goes. I'll go to my volume control plus. You've already shot your video. Just fire the unit up. The volume control says 63, so there may be something internally limiting this as well. And it's going to turn out to be trickier than I thought. Okay. Now I've got that connected up, and you want to go for USB connect. And it will say on the screen, mass storage connected, do not unplug, yada, 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 like that. And it will come up on that. Personally, I don't like using... So I'm probably about 10 feet away from it right now. Because I just think it's a little more difficult to use than it needs to be. I quit that. Now that video is recorded at a low audio level, so let me try one that's at a higher level. And then I'll also try and diagnose what the problem is with the projector, because it shouldn't be limited to 63, at a 63 count. It should go to 100%. There's got to be something in the menu. I said that's how I bought all my helicopters. I've got the Okay, this is full volume on the little Edge system, and full volume on the laptop. I do flight school and drone transport.
How much you owe on your credit card?
So my volume's up all the way there.
I paid down pretty good, so probably down to like 2,000.
Volume's up all the way there.
On what card do you carry the higher balance?
Pretty sure it's Travelers. So it's kind of like a Visa, but it's not really a Visa. It's more just it's like a card that's used more for aviation fuel.
All right, the volume on the Anchor is disappointingly low, actually. I'm kind of surprised. So that should give me more headroom. I think I'm going to try coming directly from the laptop, see if the projector is the restriction, because the projector is supposedly limiting it at 63 out of a possible 100%, and I can't figure out how to unlock that. So connected directly into the laptop output. Well, you'll have to read them to me because I'm not sure, because we've got a lot of drone turn my volume up,
and I want to make sure we got the right one.
Well, I'm not reading to you, okay?
Well, there's two cards. There's two cards.
So that is considerably louder. I was thinking that the little anchor was going to be the bottleneck, and it turns out that the projector is. So I'm going to have to figure out how to unlock that, because that should not be locking at 63% volume. I don't know exactly what's going on there. But I didn't see anything in the menu saying why it would do that. So that's a little strange. So if I go into my menu, and then I'm going to walk my way down to my sound, and then I go over. You can see it says 63. And I'm hitting the up volume, and it's doing nothing. Now I can hit the down volume. I can turn it down. But I can't get it up and past that. And I have reset the projector already, so it wasn't that. So, any ideas? It's also not in the settings either, because I was hoping that it was going to be there, and it's not in here either. Interesting.